Fragrance changes how a garden feels. It adds a quiet layer of experience that visual design alone cannot achieve. In a front yard walkway, scent becomes even more important. Every step releases aroma. Every breeze carries it toward the entry. In this video, we look at fragrant perennials that perform well along walkways. These plants are not only beautiful, they are reliable, structured, and easy to integrate into a long-term landscape. Let's begin. First is lavender. Lavender is one of the most consistent fragrant perennials for walkway planting. It produces a clean, calming scent that becomes stronger under sunlight. The plant forms compact mounds with narrow gray-green foliage. Flower spikes rise above the foliage and create a soft, repeating rhythm along paths. Lavender performs best in full sun and well-drained soil. It does not tolerate heavy or wet ground. Once established, it requires very little maintenance. Trim lightly after flowering to maintain shape and encourage new growth. Placed along a walkway edge, lavender releases fragrance when brushed lightly. It creates a calm and welcoming entrance experience. Next is creeping thyme. Creeping thyme is a low-growing perennial that spreads into a dense mat. It is often used between stepping stones or along pathway borders. The fragrance is released when stepped on or touched. It has a warm, herbal scent that feels natural and subtle. This plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It tolerates light foot traffic and dry conditions. Creeping thyme is ideal for softening hard edges like stone or concrete. It creates a seamless transition between path and planting area. Over time, it forms a living carpet that adds both texture and scent. Next is Dianthus. Dianthus produces small flowers with a sweet, clove-like fragrance. The scent is noticeable, but not overwhelming. The plant forms tidy mounds of blue-green foliage. Flowers appear in late spring and often repeat lightly. Dianthus prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It performs well in borders and along walkway edges. Deadheading can extend the blooming period. This keeps the plant looking clean and encourages additional flowers. Its compact shape makes it easy to combine with other perennials. It adds color and fragrance without taking too much space. Next is catmint. Catmint is known for its soft, airy growth and long blooming season. It produces spikes of lavender blue flowers over gray-green foliage. The foliage itself is fragrant, especially when brushed or trimmed. Catmint thrives in full sun and tolerates poor soil conditions. It is drought-tolerant once established. After the first flush of blooms, cutting the plant back will encourage a second wave. This keeps the walkway border fresh throughout the season. Its relaxed form softens straight lines and adds movement. It pairs well with more structured plants like boxwood or ornamental grasses. Next is bee balm. Bee balm offers both fragrance and ecological value. Its leaves have a strong herbal scent similar to oregano. The flowers are bold and attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds. This plant prefers full sun to partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Good air circulation is important to prevent mildew. Bee balm works well slightly set back from the walkway edge. This allows the plant to spread naturally without overcrowding the path. It adds height variation and a more dynamic planting layer. Next is garden phlox. Garden phlox produces large clusters of fragrant flowers in mid to late summer. The scent is sweet and noticeable, especially in the evening. This plant prefers full sun and fertile, well-drained soil. Regular watering supports strong blooming. Phlox adds vertical structure and seasonal interest. It works best in the middle or back layer of a walkway border. Choose mildew-resistant varieties for better long-term performance. The fragrance becomes part of the evening garden atmosphere. It creates a welcoming transition from outdoor space to home. Last is Hellebore. Hellebore is valued more for early season interest, but some varieties carry a light scent. It blooms in late winter to early spring when few plants are active. The foliage remains evergreen in many climates. It provides structure year-round. Hellebores prefer partial shade and well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Placed near a walkway, they create an early visual anchor. They signal the beginning of the growing season. While the fragrance is subtle, the timing of bloom adds unique value. In conclusion, fragrant perennials bring a deeper layer to walkway design. They connect movement, scent, and structure into a single experience. The key is to combine plants with different bloom times and growth habits. This ensures continuous interest throughout the year. Start with a simple combination. Observe how the plants grow and interact. Adjust spacing and layering over time. A well-planned walkway does more than guide movement. It creates a lasting impression every time someone arrives home.